Hi, Matt Boyle here. So if you ever considered doing any type of cold outreach anyway, I want to share with you a case study of probably one of the best cold outreaches I have received. I want to dissect it, tell you why it was so great, but also want to then kind of give you a little bit of insights into where it fell down, because as great as the outreach was, what happened next has kind of led to nowhere. And that's some of the mistakes that so many people make when it comes to doing any form of outreach. See, and you may or may not know, I've recently started posting some videos on Instagram. Not something that I've ever really had an Instagram focus, but we've just started doing it. We've just started to build an audience. So literally 2 weeks after I started on Instagram, I get this email that you see on the screen here. And you can see straight away how to scale your sales, which is my Instagram handle, deserves more than 98 followers. Got me curious. And then it goes straight into this email. And as you can read from here, it says, I just saw how to scale yourself. Excellent business post on Instagram. I'm Christina, social media specialist, analyzing small businesses. Straight away now, got me interested. I've just reviewed your account. I wanted to share some interesting insights with you. You posted 3 times in the last 30 days. At that point, it was correct. You're posting at an average of 4 likes, which is also correct. Average engagement is only 4%. It has now got relevance. So straight away now I'm intrigued. We've got timing, we've got relevance, and now it's building the connection. It looks like you're spending time and resources on your content, but not receiving decent return on your investment. Correct. My team has helped businesses and influencers grow over 24 million real Instagram followers in the last 3 years. Now I've got some credibility. Would you like a free Instagram growth consultation? Now they've started to give value. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to jump on a call anytime. This is, without a doubt, one of the best cold outreach templates that you can use. It has timing, it has relevance, it has engagement, it shows that they're interested, it keeps it short, sharp, and tidy. It makes me the focus of it, not them. So very, very well written email. And it got a response. Now, I went and clicked on the link because I wanted to book a time. The only problem was all the times were available at 2, 3 in the morning. For me, it wasn't that. So I replied. And, this was sent out on the 1st of September. So I'm recording this on the 18th. So that was recorded, sent it over 2.5 weeks ago. I'm certainly interested in setting up a call. This is without a doubt the best prospecting approach I've received in a long time. And this is an example of how you can help us. Then I'm very keen to talk to you. Set something up. I checked your calendar and could find appropriate time zone differences. So I'm now a lead. I've been on their website. I know their pricing. I know everything. I want to just figure it out and work through the details. I need someone to push me over the edge in order to make a sale. That was sent on the 1st of September, and I received nothing since. I've had no other cold outreach. I've had no follow-up, so nothing through, which means they've done all of this amazing work to build a lead, to get me to the point that I'm curious. I want to find more. I'm, their ideal prospect that is engaged and wanting to do business with it, but they didn't follow up. They haven't followed through. They haven't responded to my lead. And this proves the point that there is over 50% of leads that are generated for businesses are never contacted by the business. So what can you learn from this? Look, if you are doing any cold outreach, absolutely follow this template. This is one of the best templates that I have seen. It works for me. Use it. But if you're going to use it, make sure you follow up with the damn leads.